Oh, I'm so sorry. Sounds like you might have had a gallbladder attack. You might still be passing stones and definitely want to go see your doctor first thing in the morning there, get some imaging done. You might need to have it removed. You know, it's one of the top 5 most common surgeries in the States, so it's very common. We're used to doing it. Okay, feel better.
I am fascinated by healthcare in other countries because I had a debilitating sinus infection when I went to Italy a couple years ago, and I went to the pharmacy and I went to the pharmacist and I said, I have an issue, and they they were like, oh yeah, you need like Sudafed or something, or like Fedrin, something that ended in Fendrin, and it was the best medication I've ever had. So I'm so curious about how things work in other countries because I feel like maybe they do it better. Maybe go watch that girl's video. I guess maybe you don't always need your gallbladder removed and we just do it. Maybe because it pays more. Oh no, America.